In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a workflow in n8n, whether you're using n8n in the cloud or a self-hosted instance. The process is pretty much the same and straightforward. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your n8n account. This could be on the n8n cloud platform or your self-hosted instance. If you haven't set this up already, you need to make sure your account credentials are ready and working properly. This login step is the gateway to accessing all the features in n8n. So take a moment to ensure everything is in order before moving on. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to either create a new workflow or open an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, simply click on New Workflow. This will open up a blank workflow canvas for you. If you already have a workflow you'd like to add to, find it in your list of savings and open it by clicking on it. This workflow editor is where all the magic happens. Next, you need to open the Import menu. Look to the upper right corner of your workflow editor. There you'll see a three-dot menu, which is the More Options menu. Give that a click. This menu provides you with several additional controls for working with your workflow. In the drop-down that appears, you'll see the option labeled Import from File. Click on it. This function is key for bringing in any pre-configured workflows you might have stored on your computer. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your existing setup without recreating everything from the ground up. Now it's time to choose the file you want to import. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the location where you've saved your .json workflow file. Once you've found it, select it and click Open. This step transfers your selected workflow into the n8n environment. You should now see your imported workflow appear on the editor canvas. It's a good idea at this point to thoroughly review the imported workflow. Take a close look at the various nodes, making sure that all necessary connections are in place. Double-check any expressions and settings too. This ensures that your workflow is correctly configured and ready to run smoothly. One important thing to note is if your imported workflow uses any credentials, you'll need to reconnect or create those credentials within n8n if they're not already in place. Proper credentials are essential for the workflow to execute its tasks as intended. And there you have it. You've now successfully imported a workflow in n8n and ensured all its components are in place. Feel free to give it a test run to see your workflow in action. With these simple steps, integrating and managing your workflows becomes a seamless part of your n8n experience.